Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling us the code we can use to get free gifts on Temu, alright? This code is frs127497, frs127497, and just like that, you click on it and you're offered gifts. You can see I'm offered 6. I have to choose 6 free gifts, and it comes with terms and conditions, okay? Yes, Temu offers you free gifts, but then it comes with terms and conditions. You need to actually buy some products to unlock these free gifts. And please, very important, this is for new app users. If you're an existing user, this may or not work for you. You can try it, but if it doesn't work, you should know that this is actually for new app users. Yes. If you're a new app user, I can assure you that within the first day you download the Temu app and you apply this code, or you use my code for the free gift to download the app, you're surely going to get your free gifts. Nothing is going to stop that from happening, all right? If you're an existing user, you can try it out and see if it works for you. But for new app users, you have no worries at all. You will definitely get this free gifts. Now, after you get the free gifts, you have to pay some amount of money for your purchasing order. You actually need to pay some amount of money to unlock them, okay? It comes with qualifying orders. That's what they call it on the Temu app. Yes, so you go ahead, you choose your free gift. I'm just going to do a short demo. Let's assume I want to just pick, let me just pick the first things. Remember, you need to choose your free gifts on the page you're being shown, okay? You can't go anywhere else to choose your free gifts. You need to choose everything from the page they show you, all right? So that is how it works. So once you're done, I'm just trying to show us a quick demo on how this works. Confirm your address. Let's see what this mystery box holds. It's definitely going to be a coupon, or yeah, like I said, it's a coupon. They usually add something else to the free gifts, and here it is. I have more free gifts to pick. Okay. Order to get all your free gifts. So yes, this is where I have to pick my qualifying orders. If you can see from here, it's written with a 40 euro order. Okay, let's click on the question mark and see what this says. Let's see if this will open. All right, so users will get 0 euro gift as reward through cracking golden eggs. User can obtain a 100 euro coupon, place an order. Okay, everything, you just have to go through the rules and so that you can understand better. So here I have to spend 40 euros. If I want these 6 free gift that I was given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I actually need to spend 40 euros with a 40 euro order. Okay, that is my qualifying purchase. That's what I have to spend. So I'll just go ahead and pick products or items that are worth 40 euros. And once I pay, I check out and I pay, then most times, okay, most times Temu releases these gifts, or is going to be indicated that the free gift will be shipped with your main order. Sometimes they might actually tell you to spend more money to unlock the free gift. So if that happens to you, don't be surprised. It has happened to me like once or twice. Okay, the first time ever that I used this code for the free gifts, I didn't experience that. But the second time, the third time, I had a situation where after the first qualifying order, I was asked to pay a second round. Okay, so if that happens, don't be surprised. All right, I think that's all to it. So let me know in the comment section if you use this code and it works for you. Remember, it's for new app users. All right, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.